Hey folks, Blake Bunch, Personal Wealth Advisor, back again, this time to help you consider whether or not to change your Medicare coverage during open enrollment. Medicare's open enrollment period began on October 15th, so to avoid delays, now is the ideal time to evaluate whether this is the year to change your coverage. Perhaps you're wanting a plan with different services than what it covers, or requiring access to specific hospitals, doctors, or prescriptions that aren't covered under your current plan. Or maybe you just need more of a convenience or higher quality plan that will cover you while you're traveling. Making this decision is anything but simple. To help you through the process, feel free to use our DIY flowchart tool yourself to help guide you through the decision-making process. For example, working through this flowchart, it'll ask you some questions, and depending on your answers, we'll dive a little bit deeper into that area to see if it's really worth a material change to your overall coverage. Anyways, we hope this helps you understand the considerations that can influence your decision, such as changes in healthcare needs, cost of premiums and deductibles, and effective dates of any changes. That's it from us this week, folks. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.